From an affiliate that's made $60,000 in the last 3 months, the secret to making more money is finding winning products just like this and just like this Bluetooth beanie with a light. If you guys want to learn my step-by-step strategy, let's get into my screen and I'm going to show you guys how to find the best products to make the most amount of money with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Let's get into it. All right, so let's cut the fluff and BS, dive into my screen and show you guys the exact strategies on how I'm finding winning affiliate products that again generated me $60,000 profit in the last 3 months. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. I appreciate your support. We're going to dive into my screen and we're going to be using a tool called Kalodata. This is going to help us find trends early. It's going to find us products that fit a certain criteria that again are going to set yourself up for success. And if you're in the spot of like, hey, I'm just not getting the results that I want, my commissions aren't as high as I would hope. Well, this is going to solve it, because if you can find the best products, winning products, that is where you're going to really see a lot more success than what you're currently doing. So Kalodata is a must. I'll put the link in the description. I have a special coupon. It's only going to run you guys like 40 bucks a month. And as I show you guys how to use this tool, you're going to be mind blown and you're going to find product after product after product, and you're going to get a massive ROI on your little $40 investment. So Kalodata, right here, we've got the Explorer, and you can literally come right here and instantly come to trending products, or right here to top products. And you can find literally the top products on the TikTok shop. So I can click trending products. What category are you interested in? So if you are interested in a specific category like beauty and personal care, or you've got pets, maybe a baby, maybe you are interested in luggage and bags, let's just come right here to kitchenware. I click that and then I hit get answer. And from here, it's going to find me trending products that fit this category, that revenue trend is growing. And just like that, I can find a ton of potential products. So it literally makes it so easy where you just click a few buttons and boom, you find products. Now, with that said, I want to show you guys my exact strategy, because again, there's a lot of different things and different ways that you can go about doing product research, but there's just a few key things that I'm looking at, and it's right here on the filters side. So we want to find products that are recent. So in the last 7 days, last 30 days, we don't want to go and find products that are from months ago, because we want to find products that are doing well right now. The next is the category. Is there a specific category that you're interested in? If so, select that category. If not, if you just are super broad, that's great. You can delete that. You don't need to do that and be as specific. But as you do more and more in-depth product research, you will find that, hey, I like doing products that fit this certain niche. It's just easier for me to make videos about, and then you're a little bit more efficient that way. Then you're going to come over here to the revenue trend. And this is where I like to have growing. And so instead of default, I want to find products that are growing. I don't want products that are stagnant. I don't want products that did well 6 months ago and that haven't really sold well as of late. I want products that are doing well right this second. So I change that revenue trend to growing. And then is it an affiliate product? I say yes every single time. That's why we're in the business. We're here to promote affiliate products. The next one, this is the golden nugget that not a lot of people are talking about, and something that you guys are definitely going to want to look at is the creator number. We'll talk a lot about this, but basically if you have a creator number that is super, super high, where there's, let's say 700 people promoting this product compared to 32 promoting it, well, it's a lot easier to stand out in the 32 compared to the 700. And that's not even that great of an example, because there are products that have tens of thousands of affiliate creators, and people are like, oh, this is a good product, I'm going to promote it. But it's like, okay, if you do the simple math of their revenue divided by the creator, they like the number checks out to be like 1 sell per creator over the 30 days. So it's like, okay, that's not that great. So what you want to do is find products that are not yet saturated with thousands of creators. Now, I'm not saying that I don't review products that have high creator numbers, because if I can get a sample, if I already have the product, then yes, I will make the video. But if I'm specifically finding products strategically that I'm going to buy, or I'm requesting samples for, and I'm taking my time, that is one thing that I'm definitely looking at, is that creator number. The next thing, and I will come right here and I'll actually enter in, we'll just say 5 to 200 and I'll apply that. And then the commission rate, you can find products that fit. Okay, are you going after 30% or more? Are you trying to find 10 to 15%? What are you doing? I'm just going to put all right now. But if you're trying to find those high commission products, you can do that. And then from there, I'm just going to hit apply, and it's going to go in and find products that fit that criteria. And from there, I can literally just scroll. And this one, this lunchbox set is kind of interesting. $55,000 in the last 30 days. And there's only 114 creators. And that's pretty crazy. They've sold 2,000, almost 3,000 units, which is just insane. 55,000. So that's an interesting product right there. But we've got these oil dispensers. These have gone viral in the past, and it looks like they're trending again. And so this is something, not very many creators, but it's a cheap product and they're crushing it, 40,000. Here is, this one's kind of an interesting one. I feel like I've seen this. And the commission rate is super high at 25%, and they're doing pretty good, but they kind of had this spike, and so they're not growing as much. It looks like they just blew up and then they've kind of fizzled out. Again, that's still a product that could be worth looking at. And that's what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue to scroll, and you'll see a lot of these oil dispensers that it's like, okay, like, is this worth it? And I've actually promoted this, and I don't know if it's worth it because there's just so many different ones. We're trying to find unique, cool products like this one. This one's insane. It's a kitchen torch cooking propane. That is insane. I want to get that one because you just attach a propane tank to it and you've basically got a flamethrower. Products like that are what you want to find. Products that stand out, products that are different. And so that one right there, there's low creators, and they've done $106,000. And that is something that people are going to see, and they're going to be like, what is that? I want to buy it. And so yes, that's definitely something that I'm going to be adding to my list. And selfishly, I'm doing this video for myself because I want to find products that I want to promote. And again, this is just my exact strategy. So that one, I'm definitely going to go and try and get. So that's the strategy, is going to the filters and filtering that out. And then you can come here and adjust the category, delete that, and find products in different categories. So I'll just delete that, and there's going to be way more products because I'm not as narrowed down to the kitchen category. Then from there, I can just scroll through. I've actually promoted these. We can come and see, I don't know what this is, the breathable shoe insoles. So those are kind of interesting. Crazy that they're doing 11,000. And then you can just scroll and find products that, again, fit that criteria and that you have interest in it, or find products that fit that criteria or that you are interested in. Again, pro tip, you need to find products that are interesting. If it's just a generic, boring product, it's going to be hard to promote. So we'll take this beanie, for example. If this was just a normal beanie, there's nothing special about it. But since it has a built-in light and it also has Bluetooth speakers, that is interesting. That is a product that is easy to promote, easy to talk about, and easy to go viral with. So that is what we're looking for. We want it to, yes, fit this criteria, but then on the other hand, have this unique selling point and kind of cool factor to the product itself. Or in other words, a product that people haven't seen before. And that's what you're doing with this strategy. The next thing that I want to show you is right up at the top of Kalodata from the products tab, you'll see that they have some new filters. And this is actually a really cool feature that they just launched. You hit top new products, and basically what it does is it enters in the last 3 days for the date and then launch date within 3 days. And this is where you can actually find products that have just recently launched. So like this Kendrick Lamar shirt from the Super Bowl, like that's insane. They're doing $20,000 in revenue, which is just crazy. And it's been 3 days. This one, again, the Not Like Us, this Kendrick Lamar, 9,000 and only 21 creators. So that's something that could kind of start popping off. Now that is pretty trendy. If I'm being honest, it might not last, but if you could have gotten onto that early, which I guess you are early, but it's kind of past the Super Bowl. So it's just not as much hype. But that's what I like doing is when I come to Kalodata, I'll just come right here. And if there's something that I'm like, okay, this is going to be in the long run and long term, it's not going to be as trendy as like this t-shirt from the Super Bowl, then it's like, okay, let's jump on that. So that is kind of a cool tab. Then we've got high potential affiliate. I click on this and it's going to show me the revenue trend is growing. It's an affiliate product and the commission is 30% or more. So this is where you're going to find commissions that are 30, even 50%. So this muddy mat for dogs, I've been seeing it everywhere, and they've done 250,000 in the last 30 days, which means they've paid out $125,000 to affiliates, which is just mind blowing. 50% of their revenue is getting paid out to affiliates. So that's a product that's like, hey, it's worth it to promote just because the commission rate is so high. Yes, the creator numbers is a little higher at 1,000, but like there's still a lot of potential. Right here, you'll see, I mean, this creator number is 5,000. And yes, the commission rate is 50%, but like 5,000 creators, that's a lot. But again, why I would even consider it is, hey, it's the commission rate is 50%. And if I like the product or if I want the product regardless, or if I would use it, then that's where it makes more sense to promote products like that. That's another thing that I want to talk on, just kind of going on a separate tangent. When I am getting products for free, or if I'm able to just like someone's reaching out and they're like, hey, get this product, review it. And if it's something that I actually want and I'm actually going to use, then I'm not as strict on my criteria. But if it's something that I'm strategically buying, or I only have X amount of time to do product videos, then that's where you don't want to review certain products because it's like, oh, it's a waste of time. Like it's going to take me however long it takes to make a video and it might not perform. So, and then I just have more garbage products. So you want to find products that you are actually interested in, that have that unique selling point, that fit that criteria of, hey, this has potential to go viral, to make you money. And so I like the high potential just because it's going in and finding products that have, I mean, insane affiliate commissions. The next one is sales grow rapidly. This is where obviously the sales are just booming. So right here, the Boom Boom nasal stick, 162,000 items sold, $1.7 million. Insane good commission rate, but the creator number is 6,000. So if you could have gotten onto this a little bit earlier on, and I'm not saying that you can't be successful with this right now, but if you could have got onto that trend a week ago, 2 weeks ago, you probably would have crushed it. And that's where you want to be doing product research basically on a daily basis. It'll take you 5 minutes to come here, look at the top products, find the high potential, see which ones have launched recently. And if there's something that catches your eye, boom, jump on it. And you might ride the wave to a product that's doing 1.7 million in a month, which is just absolutely insane. Again, the creator number is super high. You can see this next one, the lip liner, 8,000 creators. These goalie gummies, 15,000. The goalie gummies, this is a great example. It's like, if I have the product, okay, I'm going to review it. But if I'm going out and buying this, it's like, okay, they've done 856,000 in revenue, which is just insane in the last 30 days, which is a lot. But if you divide that by 15,000, that means each affiliate, they generated like 3 sales or so, 4 sales. And it's like, that's not that great. And the truth of the matter is the top 10 affiliates are making the bulk of that revenue. And to be the top 10 of 15,000 creators is kind of difficult. So I don't know if you guys are kind of understanding the process, but looking at that creator number, looking at the revenue trends, these are things that are going to help you, again, be successful in the long run. So if you guys are kind of stuck or in a rut, that's probably why. You got to find products that not 15,000 people are promoting. You got to find products that a couple hundred affiliates are. And eventually we hope that that product will get to the point of 15,000, because that means yours is going to be booming. And then you just kind of ride that wave to the top. So that is the sales growing rapidly. And then the next one is we can click the top videos for products. And what this is going to do is the filter is going to give you the revenue source of just video instead of both live and video. So if you are strategically only doing videos, great, you can enter that filter. But if you are doing just lives, then you're going to want to select the live filter. And so these filters are going to help you so much just kind of hone in on the best products that have the most potential. And again, for $40 a month, it's an absolute no-brainer, and it just makes your life so much easier. So that is how I find products. I'm going to give you guys some golden nuggets on some other cool features that I like when it comes to Kalodata. The product is important, but the next most important is the video itself. And what you can actually do is right here, the highest revenue video, you can come and hover over this and watch what other creators are actually doing to promote this product. So whatever they're doing, they're obviously generating the highest revenue for that particular product. We'll just go in, see what they're doing, and then make a similar video to it, and you will crush. You can also come over here to creators, and you can find the top creators and see what they are currently doing and how are they basically going in and able to generate the revenue that they're generating, and follow them and see what products they're promoting. And that's literally what you'll want to do, is actually go follow these top creators. So like this dude Dills guy, he only has 10,000 followers, yet his revenue, 940,000, insane. So go follow him. And every time he posts a video, you can be like, oh, is this a product that I want to promote? This Lexi girl, 982,000, insane. Like that's just mind blowing. So you can go in and follow these creators that are obviously crushing it and learn from them. You can see what products they're promoting, and then you can also see the style of video that they're doing and basically take their strategy and make it your own. And again, right here, Kalodata has made it really easy. You can find emerging creators, top video creators, top live creators. So if you guys are interested in going live more, then come right here and find the top creators that go live the most and learn from them. The top video creators, if you want to see what is working via video, find the top video creators. And then you can come over here to the category. And if you're interested in a specific category, or like you're super passionate about nutrition and wellness, well, then come right here and find products that fit nutrition and wellness, or vice versa with sports and outdoors. You guys get the point. So there's so many different angles that you can take product research with the affiliate program. And it's all about just finding this little tiny hole in the market, what's working for somebody else. This is a product that's on the up and up. It's about to trend. And if you can capitalize on that, boom, one video can literally change your life. This product right here, I was one of the very first few creators promoting it. It's called Spilt Milk. It's a caffeinated protein milk in a can. Those are the type of products. It's unique. It's different. And I made one video and it generated me $3,000 in commissions. So $3,000 profit in one single month. And it's still making me anywhere from like $50 to $150 a day just with this one single product. So that's all it takes, is finding that one product. But obviously once you find that one, it'll just continue to perform. And then if you can find a second, a third, fourth, that's where you can start making 10, 20, 30,000 a month with the affiliate program. Absolutely insane. So that is my strategy. If you guys need additional help, if you guys need additional support, I'll put a link down below. We have a school group right here with over 4,000 members, and we have courses that show you guys the entire process. So we got this classroom tab. So we've got a welcome, so you can start, learn. We'll show you guys how to get 0 to 5,000 followers. followers to unlock your account. We'll show you guys the affiliate winning blueprint. We've got hooks. We've got everything that you guys need. Plus, you guys can ask any questions about the affiliate program in the community where 4,000 other affiliates are there to answer, and it's only $5 a month. So join that, get Kalodata, start taking action, and you guys are going to start seeing amazing results. And I can't wait to hear about it in the group, in the comments, wherever at. Shoot me a message. I want to hear your guys' success stories. I appreciate you guys, and we will see you in the next one.